The Right-Handed Embroiderer's Companion, a step-by-step stitch dictionary by Yvette Stanton, has 160 full-colour pages. There are over 170 embroidery stitches and their variations shown in step-by-step instructions with clear diagrams. There are photos of each finished stitch so that you can see exactly what it should look like. There are also vibrant inspiration photos for each stitch to show you creative ways to use them. This book only has right-handed instructions. We have a separate stitch dictionary, the Left-Handed Embroiderer's Companion for left-handers. However, for each stitch, there is one diagram showing the left-handed version, so if you're right-handed teaching a left-hander, you'll know what to do to change it for them. Felicia said of this book, "Best book ever for learning stitches. Illustrations simple and clear. I have many other books of this type and this one is indeed the best."